Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, I'm Kenny and this is Backcountry Outdoors. Today's video, you've seen the thumbnail, it's a no excuse video. So there's so many of us on the ADV world, we're probably in our 30s, 40s, 50s. Life happens quick. This video is gonna be about how to get out, do a quick trip, get your sanity, and get back into regular day life. Maybe not take up a weekend. I know I got sports all weekend with kids, so if you go during the week, it's empty, you can get your spots, and you can also get a little relaxation and get a camping trip in. So we're just gonna enjoy some country roads and just sit back, do some camping. I think I'm pretty much like the average Joe rider. I'm not gonna go out here doing power slides. I don't know how to do a wheelie. I don't even try to pop up the front tire. But I like to get out and have fun, represent a group of people that are just like me, that maybe know how to ride. They can get a bike, very inexpensive bike. This bike was very cheap. I think I need to upgrade to one of those quad locks. This thing keeps turning like this. But I got my gear, as you can tell, my super fly gear. I don't know if you can see with the sun behind. There we go. But got my vest, got my bike loaded up. We're gonna do a night of camping. This is kind of cheap camping because I did get a campsite. Let's put the miles down. I'll see you soon.
Well, this is home for the night. It's pretty spacious. I like it. Got a light in here. We'll see how things go. There's power, so that's good. I brought a couple chargers just in case, but I do have some battery packs. But hey, how you guys like my vest? It's a nice vest. Hey, if you're not riding with vest, this is like a fanny pack, but for your chest.
Got dinner right here. Stopped at one of those hole-in-the-wall barbecue places. I bring a full-size chair when I do this. I don't like sitting on those little tripod chairs. I want to be comfortable.
hay dudes where they're at. Light and comfortable. Always pack some camp lights. Got everything into the shelter off the bike. Seems like a lot of stuff once you put it on a table. But it got chair, table, pillows, tent, air mattress, bag, my dinner. I always bring this little Mexican blanket with me. Of course, you gotta have the Hey Dudes. Sweet vest. And we got a cooking utensils, some more food, water, a few lights. That's basically it. So I'm gonna start setting up. I think I'm gonna set up my tent inside of here. Got the tent all set up. Just a little one man. Picked that up on Amazon a while back for pretty. Oh no, I got that at that auction site. But it's time to change these shoes because I know these hiking boots smell horrible. So now everything's pretty set up. Work clothes over there. Hopefully they're not too wrinkly tomorrow. Just got everything pretty much set up. Got the bag emptied out. If you're not using the pass-through bags, that's the way to do it on a motorcycle. The only thing this thing's missing is a beaver tail. It's supposed to have one. I don't know. Any good pannier should have waterproof bag inside. Of course, these are no different. Just keeps everything dry, even if the outside gets compromised. They have signs out here that says watch for alligators. When you look at this, you can totally see this has probably got a few gators in it. It looks nice, but it has a very fishy smell to it. I definitely wouldn't want to get into that water. But it's a nice spot. Camp is right over there. You can kind of see the back of the motorcycle. That's my shelter. Some of the other lakefront spots have a much better area than mine. Mine is very hard to get to and muddy, so probably won't spend much time down here because as soon as that sets, where is it at, right there, down, there's probably going to be a lot of mosquitoes. So it's the first time I actually got to sit down today. It's been a long day. If you go camping after work and you got to go to work the next day, it's kind of a task, but if it's that or not go at all, because your weekend's full, I'll go during the week. Everything's hung up over there. Work clothes hung up over there. We're gonna make it happen. Guys, ride your bike. It's so much easier to get a campsite during the week. You all don't have to be out climbing mountain trails for the most epic view. All it takes is a night like this and a tent like that with everyday Joe gear to get out and just have that stress relief. I hit 3 road closures today and just sat and baked on the bike. It's the worst kind of riding. But now, it's time to just hang out, relax. May go for a walk, but right now I'm just like sitting in this chair and no internet connection. Kind of the way I like it. Just hung out, relaxed a little bit, and some of the neighbors over here, there's a big group of guys that drive Jeeps. They invited me over, so I hung out with them. Swapped stories for a while, but it's pretty late. Still got to do this tomorrow, go to work, so I stayed up way longer than I thought. But guys, It's cool outside, nice relaxing setup. Got the tent glowing over here. We're gonna hit bed and see you in the morning. It's been a long day. Finally tucked in bed. Got this heated sleeping bag on. It's just cold enough to need it, but it feels great after being on the bike for a while today. Kept getting stuck in those traffic pieces. But I'm gonna see y'all guys in the morning, get dressed, head to work. It's a good trip.
Well, it's morning. The birds are singing. A big old crow woke me up. And I gotta get out of this bed, but it's so warm. This little cheap brand with this built-in warmer. So nice. It's probably about 50 degrees outside. So it's not cold, and luckily the wind's not blowing. I was coming down to the lake to enjoy it before I left. Looks really gorgeous out here. The birds are what actually woke me up this morning, but can't enjoy it too much. I'm in a hurry. Gotta hurry up and get to work. Unfortunately, I was gonna wear the dress shirt first, but I figured it'd get more wrinkled under the jacket. So just elected for the jersey. If you're gonna ride, wear a good jersey, guys. It's not worth getting hurt. But yeah, it's just, I'm gonna spend about 2-3 minutes out here. I was looking to see if any fish are jumping. I see people fishing, I don't see people catching fish. So I think it's time to take off. Almost had the bike all packed up, then we'd be on our way.
Like I've been saying, everyone, take that little quick trip, get that reset. You can do it during the week. It's much easier. Sometimes it's cheaper. It's sure a lot quieter, and then you still have your weekends with the fam. Until next time, I'll see y'all.